My name's Indy. Today we're going to do some construction. As you can see, first we're going to be making a castle. Yeah. Both of us are going to do our own castles. Yes. Guys, we have our materials, so we're going to start building our castle. Yeah, and we'll see how it looks in the very end. Yeah. Step 1 is to get the top and the bottom panel, and we got those in a jiffy. Yeah. If you got this, there would be a big square and a little square and a medium square, but we're not using that right now, so yeah. We're gonna attach these two panels using the short nails. I'm gonna hammer this, and then my sister is going to do it. That's loud. Come on, move your finger. The thing should look like this, with a little square on the back. But if you need help, what's this called? The Rainbow Princesses. Next, we're gonna look for these pieces, which we have. Yep. There's four of these. See, 1, 2, 3, 4. So if you get this, if your parents get this for you, there should be 4. If you don't have 4, then you have a piece. Then you have a problem. Yeah. Or you lose a piece. We're gonna connect these. We're gonna connect these 4. How would they go together? Yep. The hammer. Go on, you first. You can go first, Indy. Do I go like this? I'll just hammer it. Yeah, I don't know what's where the hammer is. And there you have 2 of your pieces connected. Now let's have Indy have her turn. That step is done. Nothing. So it should look like a square. Yeah, it should look like a box. It should look like this. You have to subscribe to our video. Yeah, make sure you like and subscribe. Oh, if you don't like and subscribe, make sure you please do it next time. Yeah, because we are the Rainbow Princesses. Yeah, if you love our videos, please like and subscribe to let us know. And yes. Yeah, we're gonna take the 2 things we did so far and we're gonna touch them, baby. Okay, I'll just put my screw in. One of my screws in. It should look like this when you're finished with step 3. Yes. So for step 4, we're just gonna put the pyramid part inside of our castle. How would it look? We're gonna put the pyramid part inside of our castle. Next, we're gonna start putting the castle body together. We're gonna do lots of screws. Guys, we should have these 2 pieces. Yes. That like that. First, let's get our screws. And screw them in. Start working fast. So, it should look like this, but if you want to just play around and put this on top, you could. To make it look like a real castle. Yeah, but we're not finished yet. Yes. Your castle should have a little door, a little window on the side, and then some walls. And it should have this with a triangle in it. You should have those steps. Those steps done, guys. You guys should get these pieces and our other square. You guys see those holes on the top? We're gonna match that with these holes, and then screw it in, and then match it on the other side with the holes. Then you have a little bridge. It should look like this at the end. Yeah. Okay? Now let's start. Guys, it should look like this. Indy first. Indy, that's too close. Okay. I can't even see. It should look like this, guys. With a window on it. So you should have these. Should have 3 pieces done. Yeah. One should look like this. Yeah. One should look like this. One should look like this, and one should look like this. The next step is putting the other 2 walls on. One should have a door, one should have just be a wall. So let's start. So right now we're all done here. We're all done with the construction part. Now we're gonna do some stickers for decorations. This is what it's supposed to look like. Yeah, to put this all around. It came with some stickers. Yeah, so we could decorate it. We have other construction projects. Like and subscribe so you can see the next video of us building some stuff with our hammer and our screws. Also with a sticker. Also with the stickers. I'm Marley from the Rainbow Princesses. I'm Indy from the Rainbow Princesses. Now let's say bye, guys. Smaller vessels. Bye bye. Bye, guys. Hope you have a nice day today. You'll see us on our next video. Yay!